Hi everyone, in this video I am going to cover how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. There are 4 steps to follow when we are subtracting two fractions with unlike denominators. Let's jump into the example 1, which is 5 over 6 minus 3 over 12. Look at this, bottom numbers are different, so we need to make a common denominator. So for this we have to write first 4 or 5 multiple of 6 means 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on, and multiple of 12 are 12, 24 and so on. So we need a common denominator. So when we observe this, we find 12 is a common multiple of 6 and 12. So we need to make denominator 12. So for this we will multiply 2. Number which is multiplied by the denominator is always multiplied by the numerator as well. Second step is rename. So 5 over 6 is renamed by 10 over 12. So minus 3 over 12 will be same because there is already 12, so no need to multiply any number. Next step is subtract. If bottom number is same means 12, we just subtract the top values means 10 minus 3. So we will write 10 minus 3. We know that 10 minus 3 is 7 over 12. So first step is simplify, but this is the simplest form of example 1, so this is our answer. Similarly, next example is 9 over 12 minus 2 over 4. We need common denominator. For this we will write first 4 or 5 multiple of 10 and first 4 or 5 multiple of 4. If we observe these multiples, we notice 20 is a common multiple of these both numbers, so we need to make 20. For this we will multiply 10 to 2 to make a 20. The number which is multiplied by the denominator will always multiply to the numerator as well. We have to make 20, so we will multiply 4 to 5, and the number which is multiplied by the denominator will always multiply to the numerator as well. So second step is rename. So 9 over 10 has renamed 18 over 20. 2 over 4 have renamed 10 over 20. Bottom number is common, same, so we just subtract them. It means 18 minus 10 and bottom number will be same. So 18 minus 10, we will get 8 over 24. Fourth step is simplify, so we can simplify it by dividing 2 on both numbers. So we will get 4 over 10. So again we will divide by 2. It will become 2 over 5. So 2 over 5 is the simplest form of example 2. So this is our final answer.